Pallavi. She's my daughter, Elisha, and she's my mom.
Hello.
So we are here today to share our experience with our house interiors. So I bought this flat in Godrej Air almost 2 years back, and this was my first house. So I really wanted it to be special. So I started my search for the interiors the last year, and we all were very excited, to make this house because this was our first house in Bangalore. So we looked around, we went to so many interior designers, and it really did not click. And then I came across Instagram handle of Carafina, and I was like, wow, I mean, this is something that I want for my house. So we took our time, we visited, and we met Gaurav for the first time. And I was really surprised to see that his choice and my choice literally matched. Whatever I had in mind for my house, he showed me that, and he showed me a lot of work that Carafina has done for several houses. And we were just convinced, and I immediately stopped looking for more interior designers, and we went ahead. And then Gaurav introduced me to Prachi, who was the designer for my house, and I really feel that it was the right choice that Gaurav made for me, because my choice and Prachi's choice was literally aligned to each other. And I would definitely pass it on to Elisha and mom as well to share their experiences, and I'll continue further.
Me, I really like my room because there's such a good room where we have everything. I just want to stay in my room for the whole day and sit there, but then I have to come out for some time. I used to go with mom to select everything for my room, and I used to sit there for hours and hours, and then I used to get bored, and then when I used to go to my room, I used to get excited again.
How do you like the decor of your room?
Yeah.
The color and all?
A lot. I really like pink color, and then
she created a lot of fuss during the selection. No, I don't like this, I don't like that. It was a whole day, spending time on initial selection. Yeah, now but she is very happy because every time she cleans her room, she maintains her room, she loves to sit and study.
This is the first time she's doing it because she loves her room so much.
Yeah, and then when I get up in the morning, the first thing I do is I set my room.
So she used to go to Carafina's office with me for her room selection, and she used to make a lot of fuss, and Prachi used to tell her, Elisha, please trust me,
She
it will look
tried
nice.
a lot to convince Elisha, and finally, it came out so good. Now she's telling me, Nahi Nani, my room is very good, loveliest. Even, I love sleeping in her room, I can't tell you.
Yesterday she's
it's so
sleeping in my
cozy. And all credit goes to Prachi. The best thing I love in Carafina is Prachi. She's so cool, so positive, always smiling, never tired. But she works like hell throughout the day. And whenever I used to go to her and ask Prachi, ye acha nahi lag raha hai, she used to tell, Auntie, okay, I will change
Yes,
it. I never saw her tired and, creating any type of problem. Her choice, I can't tell you. The picture I saw in 3D. Now the house is really looking like that. I never imagined in my life that I can enjoy this type of interiors. Because I went to so many, once I went to my friend's house, I was like, wow, what beautiful lights are there. But now when I enter my own house, I feel really very satisfied and happy. All credit goes to these people. The best part is anybody from Carafina, even the electrical person, the plumbers, everybody. Now even everybody I met from Carafina is really very nice. The managers and all, they talk with such a decent and cool tone. Like you feel like talking to them, you feel like telling your problems to them, and always they say, yes ma'am, we'll come, we'll take care, don't worry, it'll happen. So our experience with Carafina is really amazing. I love the thing they did it.
Not only my room, the whole house
Yeah.
is amazing. The lighting, the designs, the furniture, everything.
I mean, there were so many times
good.
when I was like, maybe this will not look good, Prachi. I think I want to change this, but she's
Yes,
like,
but
no,
Pallavi, many
please,
times, she
please
changed
trust
her
me.
mind.
please trust me, it will look nice. And then I said, okay, let's go ahead with it. And then finally, when I see the house, I think we made the right decision of, you know, trusting what Prachi suggested. And there are other people as well whom we want to thank. Fatima, I think she was always there to guide. There were a lot of times when, you know, we were stuck. Prachi was like, let me talk to Fatima and, you know, come back to see what best we can do. And Fatima always made the right, you know, suggestions. Talking about Fahad, who was the site manager, I have never seen a person more patient than Fahad in my life. I mean, I used to call him so many times in the day, Fahad, please help me with this, please help me with that, and he always responded. He always gave me the right status. He never, told me that, okay, this will not be done, this is not possible. At the same time, other people like electricians, they have just become a family to us now, because we used to meet them every day. Even right now, any problems that we have after shifting in, we call them and they're always helpful, and they come and, you know, help whenever required. So yeah.
So even I'm telling my friends, they see whenever you want to, even in the apartment also, I'm suggesting Carafina to many people, because when they visit our house, oh, it's like a dream house, you have done it very well. Who's your interior designer? So I always tell them whenever you
I think
want.
after looking at our house, there are a lot of people in our society who
got an idea.
went ahead with Carafina, and I saw some of their 3Ds. They are my friends now, and even those houses are looking beautiful. And I strongly recommend that, you know, if you really want a house which is unique, because there are a hell lot of designers in the market in Bangalore, but you know, we all want our house to look different from others. And this was one thing that really, you know, attracted me towards Carafina, because I had never seen these kind of designs in my past. Honestly, seeing all this, it's really, you know, something that you get convinced immediately with. So yeah, we are all happy as a family, and it's really a nice feeling to be in this house, and a proud feeling as well, not just nice.
Thank you, Carafina.
Thank you
for doing it so nicely. Thank you.